Obviously, the typical investor as an individual doesn't have the time to spend all the time you spend on all this, but is there anything he or she can learn from what you do?
I'm amazed that the average investor is out there in some industry. They're in the polyvinyl chloride industry, they're in insurance, they're in textiles, and they're going to see those industries turn. And they're not going to buy those stocks. They're going to go buy some stock from somebody in the National Guard, or they're going to do something on television in biogenetics. They have a big edge in me. I work awful hard, and they're months ahead of me. They can be in the healthcare industry. They're seeing new products. They should work on that they have in front of them.
As they used to tell writers, write what you know, you're telling them buy what you know.
Yes.
What would you tell them not to do? What do you think are the mistakes people make?
This is a common mistake I do. I think people buy stocks because they've fallen from price X to 2/3 of X or half of X. On that basis alone, they're buying a stock. That's called bottom fishing in the stock market. Very, very difficult. I've had a rough go with it. Standard Oil Ohio this year fell from 90 to 60, and I told everybody, this stock is not going to go any lower. Then it went to 50, and I said, this is it, no lower. As it went through 40, I said to people, this is it. Finally, when it got down under 30, and people said, what do you think is Ohio? I said, what does Ohio do? I don't know that company. I said, I absolutely backed away from it.
You didn't like to buy low. Huh?